everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm just gonna give you a quick little home office tour of my little work from home area that I recently remodeled. I have some past videos that I've used this as a background. You'll see what it looked like before. So it is a complete change and I wanted to just kind of share my home office. So here we go. So I'll go ahead and start from this corner. I found this at Walmart and it's just so I can have the date. I got these from IKEA. It was like a set. It was probably like $3 or something. Got this mug from TJ Maxx and I love the quote there, "She is strong," and that is what I want to embody. Just want to continue feeling that when I look at that. And I got this thing from Amazon. I'll link everything below. This is where I like to put my phone when I'm having phone calls and also working on my laptop at the same time. I've had this frame of this long quote for a really long time, actually. Maybe a few years now, but it's gone with me through the last few moves. I've had it for actually several years. So this is my desk area. I have my laptop, my mouse. I got both of these from Amazon. Actually, my chair too. I'll show that. This chair I got from Amazon. It was very easy to put together. My printer for some printing. I got this thing from TJ Maxx, and I just wanted something like that where I can put what I usually use every day. This is my notebook. I write down what I have to get done. It's easy for me to cross things out as I go, and it fits in my purse. I have my pens for my planner. I have my planner down here, a notebook, and then this picture frame has my family. And there's my cute little, he's a classic man. You can be me when you look this clean. He's a classic man. That's what I think of when I look at that outfit. And so I got that from TJ Maxx. I think I got that from Ross maybe. The fake plant and the containers, well, I got from IKEA. I got this shelf from IKEA. I've had this for a while. I got it from Target, the bookends. And this picture frame I got from Ross, and I've had this for a long time, so that has my baby there. And let me tell you about these books actually. So when I had my idea for this, I wanted to put books up there with the bookends, but then I wanted to buy books to put on there, and each book is like maybe between $15 to $30, and I'm like, I'm not going to read these books because I read most of my books. I listen to my books on Audible. So here's a hack for you. Go to the dollar store. Each book is $1. You just buy the books, and then you take the covers off, and then you can, you know, it just looks better. I just threw away the covers that were too colorful, and I just put it up like that. And I got this flipping idea from a girl I follow here on YouTube. And then in this little area, I have my plant, my fake plant. I got that from Walmart. And then I've had this also for a few years, and it just says enjoy the little things, which I think is important. Got my waste bin down here. And then this I got from IKEA. And the reason why I have that is just to kind of hide this stuff. So that is my complete little office area. I hope you enjoyed this tour. If you want to see more of my videos, please go ahead and subscribe. Now, if you are a mom, you will understand this. So now this loft area is like my little apartment that my parents let me, you know, remodel. This is where I get to keep my stuff. So I have a little play area for Kai here. I just set this up the other day with his bookcase. This is a toy I haven't put together yet, but I just set this up here with his bookcase where he can grab some books, his toys, little toy bin there. These are some other books that I don't want him to rip. These are books that I will read to him. His rocking chair, and then I got this from IKEA, and I got that when I was pregnant, so I'm just continuing to use it. So yeah, that is my office area. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed the tour. If you want to see more of my videos, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. I have some new content coming up that is focusing on how to be an entrepreneur and also balance, you know, mom life at the same time. So please stick around. See you next time. Bye.